Welcome to the future of plant care. This is BloomPod, brought to you by BloomWise. BloomPod is an all-inclusive plant growing platform that keeps your plants alive and happy. It has automatic lighting and self-watering features to help your favorite plants flourish in any environment, while being encapsulated in a designer shell that will be an absolute conversation starter in your home. BloomPod utilizes the latest advancements in consumer plant growing technology and takes it a step further with our plant care and health app with AI integration. Whether you've been struggling to keep your plants alive, wondering how to keep your plants healthy during longer trips, or just looking for a stylish way to look after your internal garden, BloomPod is your answer. Setting up the herb garden of your dreams, or creating your rare plant capsule collection of the future is no longer just science fiction. BloomPod, brought to you by BloomWise. Available now.